Okay, the way you use this impact gun, surebilt. Put that in there. Wait, but I'll show you. This actually is a socket. Okay. It originally comes like this for you to put the screw in there, but you can take that off. Put a socket on. Okay. And then there is a left right there, the arrow, and the right. So you put it in there, you push it in, twist it left, it's gonna click. It's gonna click. Okay, and then you just hammer it. Hammer this. If you were to tighten it, you just twist it. Twist it, and it will tight. Twist it that way toward the right. You want to twist it toward left and hammer it towards left, like the L, not the R. Then hammer it and also twist your wrist toward the left a little bit to help it while you're hammering it, and it should come off. That's all.